Hi, everybody. It's Misty with the Unique Treasure. Welcome back to my channel. And I keep saying that I'm gonna, you know, do a do something on camera with you guys and show you. And I start it and I get too nervous and I think, oh my gosh, I'm such a messy crafter. And I mean, I have a table full of stuff and I take so long. I'm like a painter who keeps saying no and changing this and changing that and painting over this and painting over that. This is a project that I'm doing for my design team, Sparkle. And also, it's going to at a very important event next April, not next April, this coming month, next month. And this is going to be holding some of the ephemera that I'm going to be making. And I I'm gearing towards, I don't know how to say this, I can't get it out of my mouth because I know a lot of you are going to be like, what? That's not that. So the person chose neutral colors, and I can talk about this on camera because the person does not belong to my channel. It's not a subscriber. I only know this person through a particular group that I am in, and I'm going to a retreat next month that she is going to be part of, and she's my partner. So my person, whom I can't say, and just in case something does happen, occur, uh, my person chose neutral colors over jewel tone colors, we'll say. And I had to use this paper pack when I seen it. I love this paper pack before I even knew I was going to this retreat. I did not get this paper pack for that retreat, but I knew right away that I had to use this paper pack. And this paper pack, as you see, has just beautiful, beautiful creams and whites and blacks and tans. And, some of it's bright, some of it's darker. So I took a file folder and I did what I did to it here. And it was peach and everything before. If you see my previous video, you would have seen that. And I repainted it creams and with white gesso and white and cream paint and things like that. And then now I am putting this pocket together. So I thought, well, it's not going to be a sewn in pocket because this is going to flip forward. I thought I would bring you along. So I want to show you something that this is crooked. And I realize this is crooked. This was very difficult for me to do because I wasn't thinking I do have die sets that would have cut this out. So I did it by hand and I'm half blind in one eye and it just worked out to where it's crooked. But thank goodness that I can, change that by, you know, um, with laces and things like that. So today, though, I'm just going to bring you guys on to see how I create a little bit of this pocket here to make it look beautiful. Now, this came from uh, I bought a blue set of laces and trims and beautiful things from Cindy T. T is in Tom, Cindy T, who is here on YouTube. And I almost got rid of this, and I'm like, why? It's so pretty. Why would you get rid of that? Well, I just didn't think I'd ever use it, and it has this little piece on the back. Well, that's okay because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on this pocket and you'll see how I'm going to do this. So that just goes to show you that, I know that some of you are going, why would you throw that out? Because I have so much and it had this thing on the back and I wasn't thinking, but this is exactly what I wanted on here was this particular fabric pattern here. I have it in another color, but I don't have whole yard or nothing of this. So I love it and I want to use it on this. So this is what I'm going to do. I am going to, and I sewed a bunch of this stuff together, but this particular thing I am going to glue and I'm going to do it so hopefully you will not see the glue because, and the way I do that is I smear it in with my fingers, which is, ooh, yeah. Oops. I do. I smear it in with my fingers like so. I don't think this might not be enough. I hope it is though, because it's already like dry there because I did it so lightly there. And I just want to remain tacky so I can get this on. Look at that. I almost went down and I didn't leave a mark. So I'm going to hopefully keep you guys in camera And I am going to put this here and here. And you see the top of this here. See, it's already shredding. I might run a stitch here. I'm not sure. We'll see what happens. I don't think I'm going to have to though, because this is going to be like so. And this is going to go here. And I wanted it to create a little bit of a bubble here. You know, like I didn't want it to be tight there. I do want it to be tight on the edges. So there that is. Isn't that pretty? That's so pretty. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab, I was laying things out earlier and I just got back in here to do this. I'm going to grab this. Oops, I don't have my trash it's over there. And I am going to, this is the right side. I always have to look close. Yeah, it definitely is the right side. And I'm going to stick this here like so. Let me see, maybe not. Is that like okay, or do I need to have a center piece? I think I'm gonna do the centerpiece because I pretty much like things on center. So there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and there's a nice dip in the middle. 1, 2, 3. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna start here. And again, I would like to sew this, but I'm not. No. I have been in this room every day for hours until I just can't anymore. I wasn't able to sit until they put me on medication that allows me to sit. Now, that doesn't mean I don't have to get my, ice, the thing that you put around you, Velcro around your waist. Well, I have one that holds ice pack, and I use that, and then I sit on an ice pack. When I have a bubble chair, I call it bubble chair. Bubble. I have a yoga ball, so I'm so lucky and fortunate that I'm able to do this every day, like I've been. And here we go. There's that. And so we're going to cut this here. And we're going to cut this here. I wanted those flowers on the ends, and I'll cut that better, but I got so much stuff on this table. I am so picky. I mean, this is just going to hold some of the ephemera, not even all of it. It's driving me crazy that I'm taking so long. But I am very particular. I'm not going to fit. I don't want to. I don't mind if that's overlapping a little bit. I just want to. Then this is what I have to do. I don't like doing this, but I have to dab a little glue here so it doesn't fray. And then I take it and I tap it in because I do not want this fraying on the person that's getting it. But you see this edge is nice and clean. So I'll go ahead and do that one because it's going to be easier to do. Okay. Tap, 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 tap. Get that in there so that it doesn't fray on us. And then I'm going to take this back around this way. I had this pocket so many different ways you would not believe it. Now, what I'm going to go ahead and do, because since I'm not going to, I didn't sew it, I am going to just take this on the edge here and I'm going to rub it in so it doesn't fray. Because it's really important that we make sure that this doesn't fray. Okay. Let me get this. There we go. And I'm going to do this side. It's already trying to come unraveled. It's not being very nice, is it? Kind of like this has a personality or something. Okay, now that should keep it from fraying. And I am going to get some of this glue off my fingers. So, isn't that looking pretty already? I think that just looks so, so pretty. And I love her. And this is the way the picture comes with her face cut off, and she's on vellum, and it just looks stunning. This picture is just beautiful. So, and this is a design team project. She is not part of my design team, but the rest of it, I don't even want to show you the whole thing right now. The front is stunning. It is amazing. I'm not gonna fib. I'm just really pleased with the front. It has been changed, no lie, at least 7 times, and, yeah, it's been crazy. So, I kinda like this here, but I don't know if I like it now because I don't know, I just where I liked it, now I don't think I do like it. I don't know, I do like it now, but when I held it up, I don't like it. It's strange, isn't it? I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I need elegance, okay? So, I think this is very elegant. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. I'm not sewn. I wasn't raised knowing how to sew. I, you know, there's a lot of things that I didn't know how to do growing up that some of the women that do these kind of things know how. So on part of this project, which you guys are going to see a full everything. Like I don't have a flip through, so to speak, right now, but um, I was just supposed to make ephemera, okay, for this retreat for my secret damsel, because we're damsels in disguise. And I mean, this has been phenomenal. They're putting on this retreat that's incredible, and it's going to be at Pratt Family Lodge in Vermont. And I am so excited. We're going to be getting on some bus and we're going to go around and we're gonna be shown the sights, and there's gonna be other husbands coming, not to do the retreat, so to speak, but to, be with their wives on this trip, and then so the guys can get together if they want, it's amazing. I have not traveled or done anything since my little trip to California last May, I believe it was, and I've had to cancel 3 out of the country trips because I can't sit. This has been crazy what's been going on. But thank you God that I'm telling you, I mean that with every bit of what I got because I couldn't sit. I could not sit here and do this with you guys. It's just been a lot. So, but I try. Anyways, this is what this looks like. What do you think? So I will be doing another video for the next process or whatever I plan on doing, but I have to have it around me. I have to kind of plan it out before I do the videos with you guys, or I'll be in trouble. We'll be in here all day and I'll be editing for hours. So yeah, I will let you take a sneak peek at the back though. It's not as crazy fantastic as far as the front, but I love it. I love her digitals. Look at that digital. That that just I don't know. I can't tell you. I'm sure you guys understand now by the way I'm responding and acting that this digital is amazing to me. I love it so much. Oh, it's Nostalgic Dreams, and it is at A Trace of Sparkle. You can certainly go there and help yourself to this digital. You can actually get either the ephemera by itself or you can get the pages by themselves. You don't have to buy the entire kit. I love when people do that because it gives you the opportunity to not have to get things you don't necessarily want. And, but me, I have to have it all. I have to have it all. This is just, like I said, stunning. I've got it on almost everything on vellum, on 110-pound uh, cardstock, matte photo cardstock, and 90-pound cardstock, matte photo cardstock. I love this. This is just amazing. Okay, guys, enough of me talking about what I love. Please comment. Leave Jennifer at Trace of Sparkle some love. Tell her what a wonderful job. She's just started doing digitizing. She's been around for a long time. You'll see that by her subscribers and how amazing her YouTube videos are. And you have to definitely check her channel out, A Trace of Sparkle, and go to Etsy and check her new digitals out. And she just dropped a new pack of digitals. And this is not her thing. Her thing, I hate to say it that way, but her thing is beautiful pinks and whites and creams and shabby. Her, like I said, go check out her videos. They will draw you right in and make you want to get up and go do something. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you for sticking through this video with me. Please come back. I'm gonna name this. It's gonna be named something with her nostalgic dreams in it so that you'll know this is part one, just showing you a piece of this, and I'll do another part two and hopefully a reveal real soon. Thank you. Bye bye.